Remember, you might start small, but as you keep doing this business, you can grow in the future. But it is hard to start if you are small. I'm gonna give you guys an example. Think about it this way. In our generation, in our time, right? Marami na pong negosyante. Marami na pong gumagawa ng ebooks. Maraming gumagawa ng coaching program. Marami nagbebenta online. There will always be competition. It is hard to survive if you are a generic. Kung generic advice, right? Think about it. I don't know how old you are, guys. But back in the day, kung bibili ka ng sapatos, you just go into one shoe store. In fact, I believe Shoe Mart o yung kilala nating SM, ganyan sila. They started as SM, right? Shoe Mart. Kaya SM yun, Shoe Mart yun. But obviously, nag-evolve na. Hindi na Shoe Mart yung tawag nila. SM na lang, right? Going back to what I'm saying, kung bibili ka ng sapatos, there's one place to go. Now, if you notice, it has evolved. Ngayon, kung bibili ka ng sapatos ng babae, ibang store ang pupuntahan mo. Sapatos ng lalaki, iba. Okay? Now, I believe women have a lot of categories, but I will only speak on sa men dahil mas naintindihan ko. Ngayon, ang men, may tindahan ng sapatos, madidivide mo pa siya ng ibang bibilan mo ng sapatos na balat, leather shoes, iba bibilan mo ng sapatos na rubber shoes. Right? Ngayon, rubber shoes can be divided too. Iba yung bibilan mo ng casual shoes, na rubber shoes. Iba yung bibilan mo ng basketball shoes. Iba yung bibilan mo ng, say, running shoes. So, they're all, pasok sabihin na natin, they're all in rubber shoes. So, mapapansin nyo, there's always this thing. And it's always been like that. Kaya kung magtatayo ka ng tindahan mo lang is sapatos, or, for example, relationship advice, that is broad. People would like to feel. And people are actually now expecting to get a custom advice, to get this one narrow advice specifically for his or her situation. Yun po ang nangyari sa internet. Because of the technology, because of the ability to reach more information faster. For example, sabihin na natin, National Bookstore. Before the internet, think about it. Before the internet, kung bibili ka ng books, National Bookstore lang. So, kung ano yung nasa shelves ng books ng National Bookstore, which is in most cases, wala ka masyadong options. Limited na. Limited lang. Kung ano yung naka-display sa National Bookstore, again, that is before the internet, yun lang. Yun yung mabibili mo. Whether book on programmer, relationship, how to lose weight, parenting, yun lang. But ngayon with the internet, you can find a very specific topic for your very specific need. And now, people are aware that that is the case. Kaya po tayo gagawa ng ganun na, okay, we will create a product specifically for those target market. Wait, before you go, do not forget to click that red subscribe button below. Appreciate it. Thank you for watching.